Have you ever imagined being able to buy, sell, save, and invest money right from your phone, anytime, anywhere in the world? That's exactly what millions of people are doing today with Binance. If you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, trading, or passive income, chances are you've also heard the name Binance. And that's no coincidence. Binance has become one of the world's most popular crypto platforms, trusted by millions of users who want to take control of their financial future. With Binance, you can easily buy and sell cryptocurrencies, even if you're a complete beginner. You can access popular digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, and hundreds of other cryptocurrencies, all in one place. But Binance is much more than just buying crypto. You can trade, earn passive income through staking, save with financial products, send money internationally, and explore new investment opportunities, all from a single platform. And here's the best part. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. You can start with a small amount, learn step by step, and build your experience as you enter the exciting world of digital assets. Binance also offers powerful tools for advanced traders, real-time charts, strong security features, two-factor authentication, and a mobile app that makes everything simple and accessible. So whether you want to start investing, learn about cryptocurrency, or explore new financial opportunities, this could be the perfect time to get started. And if you want to create your Binance account today, the link is provided in the video description below. Click the link, sign up for free, and start your crypto journey with Binance today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.